Welcome to this guide on blockchain gaming and play-to-earn models. In this video, we'll explore how blockchain technology is revolutionizing the gaming industry by creating economies where players can earn real value while playing their favorite games. Play-to-earn, often abbreviated as P2E, is a gaming model where players earn real economic value through gameplay. Unlike traditional games where you just play for fun, in play-to-earn games, you acquire digital assets that can be traded or sold for cryptocurrency. These assets have real-world monetary value, meaning your time spent gaming can actually generate income. Let's compare traditional gaming with play-to-earn gaming. In traditional gaming, you typically pay to play, you don't own any of the in-game assets, and there's zero earning potential. On the other hand, play-to-earn gaming flips this model completely. You can earn while playing, you have true ownership of your assets through blockchain technology, and these assets hold real economic value that can be converted to actual money. Play-to-earn games are built on 4 core components. First, NFT assets, which are unique in-game items represented as tradable tokens. Second, native tokens, which serve as the game's currency with real-world value. Third, marketplaces where players can buy and sell their digital assets. And fourth, reward systems that distribute earnings to players based on their gameplay achievements and participation. There are multiple ways players can earn in play-to-earn games. You can battle and compete in tournaments and player versus player matches to win token rewards. You can complete quests and missions to earn NFTs and tokens. You can trade assets by buying low and selling high on decentralized marketplaces, similar to trading stocks. And you can stake and farm by locking your assets to earn passive yield over time. Several play-to-earn games have gained massive popularity. Axie Infinity is a monster battler game where you collect and battle creatures. The Sandbox is a virtual world where you can build and monetize experiences. Decentraland is a metaverse platform where you can own virtual land. Sorare combines fantasy sports with blockchain. SDEPN is a move-to-earn game that rewards you for physical activity. And Gods Unchained is a competitive card game where you truly own your cards. The play-to-earn economy works as a sustainable cycle. Players participate in the game, they earn rewards for their efforts, they trade these assets on marketplaces, which increases value. As value increases, the community expands, which leads to economy growth, bringing more players into the ecosystem. This creates a circular economy where everyone benefits as the game thrives. Play-to-earn gaming offers several significant benefits. First is true ownership. Players permanently own their assets on the blockchain and can do whatever they want with them. Second is financial opportunity, transforming gaming time into real income streams. Third is global accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate and earn regardless of location. And fourth is community governance, where players can influence game development through decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. However, play-to-earn gaming does face challenges. Market volatility means token values can fluctuate dramatically, affecting your earnings. High entry costs can be a barrier, as initial NFT purchases are often expensive. Regulatory uncertainty exists as laws around crypto gaming are still evolving. And sustainability concerns arise when tokenomics don't properly balance earning and spending, which can lead to economic collapse of the game. The future of blockchain gaming looks promising. We're seeing integration with artificial intelligence and virtual reality for more immersive experiences. Interoperable assets are emerging, allowing you to use the same items across multiple game ecosystems. There's an increasing focus on gameplay quality beyond just earning mechanics, making games actually fun to play. And mainstream adoption is happening as traditional gaming companies embrace blockchain technology. The play-to-earn model is transforming gaming from pure entertainment into a viable economic opportunity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.